Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Have you heard about the exciting new book, The Future of Finance with ChatGPT and Power BI? It's written by these brilliant minds, James Bryant and Aloke Mukherjee. Trust me, it's a game changer. This book takes you on an incredible journey into the world of finance. It's amazing how technology is transforming everything. Finance is no exception. Get ready to dive into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence and data analytics. Bryant and Mukherjee do a fantastic job of breaking down complex concepts. They make it super easy to understand, even if you're not a tech whiz. The book is packed with practical insights and real-world examples. You'll be amazed by the power of ChatGPT and Power BI. So buckle up and get ready to explore the future of finance. This book will open your eyes to a world of possibilities. It's time to unlock the secrets of financial success with the help of AI and data analytics. Picture this: finance, analytics, and AI joining forces. It's like a superhero team for the financial world. That's exactly what this book is all about. It shows how these three areas work together seamlessly. Power BI takes center stage as the data visualization hero. It helps you make sense of complex financial data. You'll be creating stunning charts and graphs in no time. And guess what? ChatGPT swoops in as the AI sidekick, making Power BI even more powerful. Imagine automating tasks, getting instant insights, and making data-driven decisions. That's the magic of ChatGPT and Power BI. This book guides you through the process step by step. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to harness the power of these tools. The authors have done a fantastic job of explaining the synergy between these three domains. They provide clear explanations and practical examples to illustrate their points. Get ready to witness the transformative power of finance, analytics, and AI working together. Real-world case studies. You'll learn how industry giants are using ChatGPT and Power BI to achieve incredible results.
Take Tesla, for example. They're using these tools to analyze market trends and optimize their production processes. And then there's John Deere, the tractor giant. They're using AI and data analytics to improve farming efficiency.
Salesforce, the CRM powerhouse, is also in on the action. They're using ChatGPT and Power BI to enhance. Authors have carefully selected a diverse range of case studies. They showcase the versatility of ChatGPT and Power BI across different industries. Get ready to be inspired by the innovative ways companies are using these tools. Section 4.
But wait, there's more. The book also delves into the crucial aspect of data security. You'll learn how to protect sensitive financial information. By the time you finish reading, you'll be a ChatGPT and Power BI pro. You'll learn how to use ChatGPT for market sentiment analysis. Talk about having a crystal ball for the stock market.
The authors provide practical tips and best practices for maintaining data integrity. They emphasize the importance of ethical considerations when working with AI and data.
By the end of this book, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of ChatGPT and Power BI. Formed financial decisions. You'll also get ready to impress everyone with your data visualization skills.
Get ready to unlock your full potential in the world of finance. Section 5, Your Guide to Financial Empowerment. This book is your passport to financial empowerment.
It empowers you to take control of your financial future. Whether you're an investor, a financial analyst, or just someone who wants to manage their money better, this book is for you.
It provides you with the tool. Imagine being able to analyze market trends, and track your portfolio's performance, all with the help of AI and.
The book also emphasizes the importance of continuous learning in the ever-evolving world of finance. Bryant and Mukherjee encourage readers to stay updated with the latest advancements in AI and data analytics.
They provide valuable resources and guidance on how to further enhance your skills. This book is your roadmap to navigating the complexities of modern finance and achieving your financial goals. Section 6. Embracing the future of finance. The future of finance with ChatGPT and Power BI is more than just a book, it's a call to action.
It's an invitation to embrace the transformative power of AI and data analytics in finance. The authors paint an exciting vision of the future, where technology empowers us to make smarter financial decisions.
They challenge us to step outside our comfort zones and embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving world of finance.
It's a valuable resource for students, professionals, and anyone eager to explore the intersection of finance, AI, and data analytics. So, are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the future of finance?
Grab a copy of this book and unlock a world of possibilities. The future of finance is here, and it's powered by AI and data analytics.